But because this is so exciting, I cannot contain my excitement to tell you. InstantPro in the coming version have ChatGPT built in. The parsley extractor is for you to extract all the customers that have ever contacted you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you the InstantPro Selling Framework.
Actually, I give you all so much weapon, very powerful weapon, but you all don't know how to use it. It's like you all have 屠龙刀, right? But you don't have the 秘籍. You instead of using the 屠龙刀 to close deal, you use the 屠龙刀 to 切菜.
Basically, you will take your building label, put inside your printer, can be any print printer. Okay, then you press print. The label will appear, you will see your printer there, then you click add print, and you will wirelessly print to your printer. This is the before of the property. After you send the photo to us through the website platform, in about 3 days time, we'll return to you this way. So from before, after, from a very open property become a modern looking property.
There is no listing, there is no transacted rental. So how do you gauge? Then that's where I developed this technique. Go to sales transacted. I will use 700 square feet as an example. I will then click the I here. Based on your experience, today's rental yield for new condo is roughly how many percent? So I will quote the owner. Let's say nothing, no data. I will look at it and say, okay, based on my professional assessment, that current market is about 4% yield on average. I reckon you might be able to get 5K for your unit.
I do think I don't ask for whether how much you pay me back. Because I always believe the more you give, the more you get. Our AAG InstantPro Selling Framework not only just sell for you, we make sure that you get the best price through virtual staging. Even this input, I write for you. I received your Mueller and this condo. May I speak to the top producer, please? Yes, speaking.
This chart looks quite scary, right? But when you rotate, then the chart doesn't look that scary. This is called perspective. When I meet the seller later, what would I say? I say you are almost at the peak. It might be wise for you to take your profit so that you can sleep better, knowing that the market is very choppy. But when I serve buyer, when I see this chart, what do I say, buyer? I say, buyer, this is a very healthy property because the price is on an uptrend.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is our InstantPro BlackBelt.